Today I'm going to show you how to rotate Google Maps, which is a really useful feature when you want to view terrain and landmarks from different angles, especially in satellite view. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to Google Maps homepage where you can start exploring locations around the world. Once the page loads, give it a moment to fully render the map interface. Now look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see an option called Layers. Hover your mouse over this Layers button and you'll notice a menu appears with several options. From this menu, click on More. This expands additional viewing options that aren't immediately visible in the default interface. In the expanded menu, you'll see Satellite as one of the options. Go ahead and click on Satellite. This switches your map view from the standard road map to a detailed satellite imagery view showing real photographs of the Earth's surface. But we're not done yet. After selecting Satellite, you'll notice a checkbox labeled Globe View. Make sure to check this box. Enabling Globe View is crucial because it transforms the flat map into a three-dimensional globe representation, which is what allows you to rotate and view the map from different perspectives. Wait a moment for the view to adjust and render properly. Now comes the interesting part. You actually have two different methods to rotate your Google Maps, and you can use whichever one feels more comfortable for you. The first method involves using the compass control. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a compass icon. Next to this compass, there are two arrow buttons, one pointing left and one pointing right. By clicking the left arrow, your map will rotate counterclockwise, and clicking the right arrow will rotate it clockwise. This gives you precise control over the rotation angle, allowing you to adjust the view gradually until you find the perfect perspective. The second method is even more intuitive and gives you free-form control. Simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click and drag your mouse anywhere on the map. As you drag, you'll see the map rotating smoothly in any direction you move your mouse. This method is particularly useful when you want to quickly spin the map around to view something from a completely different angle. You can rotate it freely until you find exactly the view you're looking for. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to rotate Google Maps using both the manual arrow controls and the keyboard shortcut method. Now you can explore locations from any angle and get a much better sense of the geography and surroundings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.